Versatile, durable and handy. That's our description.
Hi, I'm Sean, the inventor of BagEZ, a multi-purpose bag holder that's designed to make using bags more efficient.
Fit on any grocery or trash bag. Hold them wide open to make disposing waste easy. BagEZ is available in 3 sizes to suit indoor and outdoor use. From the kitchen to community cleanups, BagEZ adapts to every situation. You can even use it to line your trash cans and keep them clean without frequent washing.
BagEZ is made of solid steel and coated to prevent rusting. Its frame is a 1/2-inch steel bar that's as tough as a screwdriver. Trust me, we tested it by driving a car over it and beating the heck out of it. I even tried bending it. It's tough.
The clips are durable and have smooth edges to prevent cuts or punctures. They hold heavy loads up to 55 pounds, so you don't have to worry about bags slipping off. Fixing on a grocery or trash bag takes seconds. Hang the frame, place a bag over it, and you're done. It can't get easier. When using larger trash bags, press on the clips to lock the bag in place. BagEZ adapts to sit on your kitchen countertop or cabinet drawers under your kitchen sink too. But when you take BagEZ outdoors is where it really shines. Easily wall mount bags and save room in your garage or make tiring yard work easy. Car trips or tailgate events, outdoor festivals or parties. Set up portable recycling stations to prevent litter or help in the cleanup. The handles are made to attach to doorknobs, latches, hooks or clips. Heck, you can even hang BagEZ off a tree.
So I designed it to hang off or fix to tables, benches, posts or cars, just about anywhere. So let me ask you, how would you use your BagEZ?